Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to report income from a stock sale on Turbotax in 2025. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic. Just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's get straight into it. Now the first step is going to be to gather necessary documents. So go ahead and collect your stock sale documents, including your form 1099B. Now once you have those, go ahead and sign into your Turbotax account. So just go to the Turbotax website and sign into your account with your email address and your password. And once it's logged into your account, go ahead and select the tax year that you want to report your stock sale income for. And once you've selected that, go ahead and choose income, and then you're going to select capital gains as your income type. Next thing you got to do is to enter your total stock sale income, including any capital gains or losses. And once that's done, you can go ahead and claim any related deductions such as stock sale expenses or charitable donations. And the final step is going to be to review your stock sale income report just to make sure that everything is accurate, and if it is, submit it to the IRS and they're going to take care of the rest. That's pretty much it on how to report income from a stock sale on Turbotax in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one.